Goddess, and I'm going to be sharing with you today how to create your manual vision board. So I'm going to just share with you some of the things you'll need. The first thing is for you to go and get some beautiful cardboards. I've got 3 different colors here. That will be the base for your vision board. And now I'm going to share with you some of the other things that you can purchase to really create an amazing board. So the next is think about bringing in some glitty, beautiful stock that you can add to your board. You can put them in boxes. You can use them as frames for your images. They're very, very useful. The next thing is to have some sticky notes that will, you can put on your board with words. You can use them as goal markers, whatever you like. Then also adding to that, go and find some beautiful printed paper that, you could use. It's helpful if it's all sort of a very similar style, so you can create a vision board that is exciting, lots of gold. I love gold flecks on it. And then I've also got a chalkboard pad. So I love the idea of writing goals on the vision board and being able to tick them off or put blocks for the amount of clients you want to bring in. You can divide this up and write the names of the clients as they come into your life. Is a great one. Mandalas. You can print these out. You can color them in with the colors of your vision board. You can set intentions. You can put beautiful words around there. Lots of things that you can do to add some creativity. You can also get some colored paper. This will help, add some pop to your vision board. You can also get those sticky tape with lots of different beautiful pictures on there. You're going to need a really good ruler, probably something like this, a metal ruler to cut, and some scissors. And then I love metallic markers, so you can write words, you can draw on your images, you can really personalize it, you can draw, symbols and whatever else suits you. And then also I love to have some notebooks so I can create and write the quotes I want to include in there, my affirmations, my yearly 101 list of, dream things I want to create in the year, and, really focus on the words and the quotes that I want to include in my board. So there's a bit of preparation. How many images should you collect and where should you get them from? So I love to have a mixture of images that are beautifully selected from, just Google, or you can use some of the online image free websites. You can download some great images and put them into Canva or put them on an A4 piece of paper and get them printed at Officeworks or a print store. I also like to go through my photos and find images of me in action, because it really brings the action into the board. So it's not just dreaming and wishing. It is you doing the action. So think about ways that you have been speaking, and maybe you want to take the speaking to become TEDx. And so you get the TEDx logo and you put it next to you standing up speaking. I had my vision board speaking in a podcast and launching an online course. So now I've got my actual, gear for the podcast. I've launched my podcast. So make sure you include in your vision board, if you see people doing like mentors or people who are super successful in your industry doing the thing, then put them on your vision board as something to aspire to. And then also like to add some goddess elements of who I want to grow into. Who are the celebrities? Who are, the goddesses of that I like to look at daily or aspire to be. So find images of the woman that you want to grow into. So I hope this really inspires you to get creative and to get all your things ready for your vision board. And I so look forward to seeing amazing boards and all your manifesting power be brought forward so you can absolutely create the life you love.